Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akbar and I'm from fourth semester of English Education Department from Islamic State University. And today I want to make some video that I want to present it to you about a podcast that I already see before. So the first podcast is word of mouth. The title is "Are We All Speaking Football?" And then the second one is the analysis podcast. The title is "Bulls and Bears: Animal Metaphors in a Business Language." And then the third podcast is a business daily, and the title is the impact of Trump's tariff. I'm sorry. And then uh, I'll summarize the main ideas and explain what I learned from each of them. And this is a final presentation from me. This is like a reflection of my listening journey throughout the course. So this is for the listening subject. And the first podcast is word of mouth. uh, the title is "Are We All Speaking Football?" The speaking podcast I listened was word of mouth. The title this episode was the "Are We All Speaking Football?" And the main theme was about how football language has entered everyday conversation and also influenced the way people speaks, even outside the sport. One of the key points discussed was how football metaphors are used in politics, in social, in business, and in our daily life. I found it that the interesting that the speakers explained how language shape the way we think and communicate, especially through the football popularity of through the global popularity of football. From this episode, I learned that the sports language can unify people across culture and influence linguistic uh, trends. This podcast helped me improve my listening skills, of course, and by exposing me to like natural conversation and rich vocabulary related to language, relate to society and the culture. And then for the second podcast is the analysis. The second podcast that I chose was the analysis. The episode that I learned was bulls and bears, animal metaphors in a business language. Um, and it focused on how animals are used symbolically in financial markets. Like some of the arguments present were about how bull and bear markets reflect optimistic and pessimistic investor behavior. Well, I was surprised to learn that these metaphors are centuries old and deeply embedded in a financial discuss. This episode helped me to understand more about how metaphorical language can influence decision making and perception in a business. It also challenged me to listen carefully to different accents and viewpoints from various economic experts. Through through this podcast, I practice listening, of course, and detailed explanation, and also I learn to take better notes while I listen this podcast. And then the third podcast is the last podcast. Is a I listened to Business Daily. The episode was that I was watching is the impact of the Trump tariff, and this is a discuss of the economy consequence of tariff imposed during Donald Trump's presidency. One of the key takeaways from this episode was how to protections police and affect the national threats, affect the local business, and also affect the consumer prices. From this podcast, I found it valuable because it gave me insight into a real world business issue, especially those involving global politics and economics. And this episode helped me to improve my ability to follow fast a speech and understand a business related vocabulary, because in this podcast is mostly about business, about the impact of the Trump traffic, about the international trade, about the economic of this global. And then listening to this kind of content made me more confidence in dealing with a professional topic in English, and also it enchants my comprehension of a complex international issue. And then that's the third podcast that I watch. And then the last one is the conclusion. To conclude this listening podcast, the three listening podcasts, listening to these three podcasts has improved my listening skills, of course, and my critical thinking. Because from the first podcast, we know that the language of football influence many peoples across a culture, across the economic of the people. And then the second one is the expression from bulls and bears in a business way. And then the last one is the impact of the Trump's tariff, that's impact a small business, international trade, and then also impact consume tariff, just like that. And then from that I've become more confidence, of course, and in understanding a different accents, different vocabulary, and a complex ideas in English. Also, the idioms that I get from that podcast. So this course taught me how to enjoy English content and learn from it actively. Yeah, that's all my presentation. I hope you are enjoy my video. Thank you for your listening. I hope you found some informative information. I'm sorry for my mistake that I've made. Yeah, that's all from me. Stay positive. My name is Muhammad Akbar, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.